Three approaches to negotiations: power, rights, and interests. Very important that you understand how and when you're negotiating. Power is the ultimatums. Take it or leave it. I guess this isn't going to work. We're just going to have to find another vendor. And it's very difficult to get collaboration. And at that point, all you're doing is just either conceding or you're giving up in order to get the power play. Rights, it's in the contract. You said you would do that. We're arguing over words. And this is very difficult to move past. If you're on calls and you got lawyers and you're going through the contract and you're getting to this point, boy, you've missed the mark. Interest is where you want to start. You always want to determine what's your objectives, your interests, your priorities, and build from that. Then go to legal, procurement, and everybody else and have them document it for you. Take it from me. Start from the bottom. You'll be a lot happier.